way. I think I'm going to run to the bathroom.
Do you trust me?
Yeah, do you think you can watch the boat for a couple minutes?
I'll watch it. Yeah, I'll watch it. Don't worry.
I believe in you.
Okay.
Okay. Be right back, stream.
Okay. Guys, we're so totally fucked. Spooky island to your right, spooky island to your left, spooky island on your right. It looks like we're heading into a storm. Are you hungry? You are. You poor little thing. You poor little piggy. Here you go. I feel like that's a really heavy storm in front of us. Ugh. But we should be fine. We should be fine. We should be fine. I should watch where the boat's going. Ah! Are we going the right way? Let's take a look. Fuck no, we are not. We are not going the right way at all. Jesus, the compass is spinning. What the fuck was that? Something break? Oh, why are we so full of water? Freaking Nui leaves me to take care of the ship and I'm fucking it up, y'all. I'm gonna run into this island! I'm gonna run into the island! Wait! What? Oh shit! Nui! Nui, there was a storm! There was a storm!
There's a storm. Okay. I'm here. Hello. Oh boy.
Hi. There was a storm and